Hey guys, Rob here. Today I'm just gonna be working on my custom transformer. I've been working on this forever. I just been slacking on finishing it. It's been sitting on my desk forever. It's Ratchet Voyager class from Revenge of the Fallen, the movie. Uh, I got some gray here. I think. Wait a minute. Metallic silver that I'm gonna be working on here. Some of this I made to look like, well, the outside when it's transformed to vehicle mode. Like it's kind of like roughed up and like kind of battle mode, battle damage. So far, I got some like, you see the legs. I got some like rubbed off. Oh, there's other, you have to see it when it's in uh, vehicle mode, but so far I got that done. I'm working. I need to get the head painted, which is like still the green. I must say how that probably paint his head black. But right now I'm working on the back here, the back of the legs, and I'll probably do up in here too, where all the green is. I'm gonna paint this metallic silver. Get my brush. Yes, I've been meaning to do this, but I've been busy doing other things. I've been slacking, guys. So far, that little bit, that gray so far. I'm gonna probably do two coats on this because this is pretty thin silver. Yes, this is. I need to actually get some darker silver, I guess. Maybe a gray. It'll come out okay eventually. Yeah, check it out. Yeah, it's still pretty. It'll dry, it'll look better. But right now, it looks okay. Alrighty. Oh, sorry if I'm boring you guys, but yeah, painting is not really that fun. But to some people, it's therapeutic. It calms them down. I like painting, doing my custom work. I don't know. It slows your mind down, relaxes you. Well, so far that's what I got on the back. One's darker than the other, I know. Alright guys, if you like Transformers and custom Transformers, like this video, leave a comment, subscribe for more guys. See ya.